Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make a project for a project file for CSS. So by getting it, let's get started. Open your PC and just go to documents. You can choose any of your folder and make a file. I'm making a new folder here. I'm giving it to practice. You can choose your own name if you want to. I'm just creating a text file here. The file extension should be HTML because it's a HTML file. Just click yes and open with VS Code. You can open it from here, and there is another option here. You can go to file and open a folder. I'm opening this folder. See, you can add a new file or new folder here. I'm just creating a new file. Just give this name style.css. So this is the file of CSS, and now you can start coding here. So we'll continue in our next video. Thank you.